One of the #1 questions that we get asked all the time is, what is soft washing? Hey, Garrett Bosky with Maverick Softwash, and I'm about to tell you exactly what soft washing is. So soft washing is the alternative to pressure washing. So instead of the blasting and eradicating of bothersome power washing, we're going to chemically treat the home to kill all the mold, mildew, algae, and bacteria, break loose all the dirt, grime, cobwebs, bugs' nests, and we're going to rinse all of that away with garden hose pressure. It's going to last 4 to 6 times longer than pressure washing alone. We're going to use 1/3 of the water, and we're actually sanitizing the surfaces that we are cleaning. If your home or property needs to be treated, call Maverick Softwash today, 314-283-7736.